Do you want to use and put your own customized personal photos as the watch face background on your Galaxy Watch? We're going to show you how you can set up and manage custom image as the watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. If you want to change it from your phone that's paired to your watch, open Photos or Gallery on your phone. Select the photo that you want to use as watch background. Tap on this three-dot menu or More section to set as wallpaper to watch face. But please remember there are limited type of watch faces that supports custom background, like Photos, My Style, Pebbles, and Photo Sticker. You can check out one after another and select whatever best suits your mood. For example, I'm going to use my photo as Photo Sticker. You'll be presented with different types of customization options, which are different for different types of watch faces. Customize the photo according to your preference. You can also reposition the photo, and when you're done, just press done. And then you can further customize your photo or add another from gallery or your camera section. When you're done, just press save. And in a moment, your watch face will change. You can also follow this process using your watch. But for that, first you need to send that photo to your watch. Open Wearable app, from Watch Settings to Manage Content, add images. Select the image that you want to use as your watch background. Press done. Now go back to your watch. Press and hold on your current watch face. Swipe left, tap on Add Watch Face. Now scroll down and select the watch face that supports custom backgrounds. For example, Pebbles. Tap on Customize. Tap on Background. And from here, select the photo that you want to use as your watch background. You can resize and reposition the photo, and then press OK. Go back to your home screen and that photo will be selected as your custom watch face. So that's how you can use and manage your own personal photo as the watch face on your Galaxy 6 Classic. Thanks for watching.